Hey, welcome back. So today I've been into something which, our government has introduced this new website called Agriculture Management Information System. So basically this is there for, keeping track of the amount of property everyone has. So basically every farmer should upload their land property, tax receipt. So in the tax receipt there is information regarding the property, so they can, the government can keep track of it. So anyways, this is the intention of this website. So anyways, the last date for uploading the receipt was today. So these people here were rushing to internet cafes to upload these things. It was a huge queue in front of every internet cafe. So I don't know about you, but I live in not in a municipality, but I live in a village. So there are less number of internet cafes. So I approached to our, in our ward there are nearly 2,000 members. So I've approached our ward member and said that I could help. So I woke up early at 9, not at 9, but at 6, and started working on this. So started helping everyone. So basically, we started from 8 a.m. in the morning, and the, the this website is kind of tricky. You cannot just go ahead and upload the stuff. You have to enter some details, and then you have to upload the receipt in PDF, and then the size of the PDF should be less than 200 kbs. Okay, so that was the constraint. So anyways, one of the limitations that I had was I didn't have a scanner to scan this receipt. So anyways, I had this idea that I could take the photo in my phone and then transfer it to my laptop and then upload it from there. So that was my idea, but I said I will do the help. In my mind, I had this idea, I couldn't do this manually, because you see, I have to take the photo in my phone, compress the photo, convert it to PDF, and then convert it, send it to my laptop. That's a lot of work. I knew that I'm not gonna do it manually. I knew I'm gonna automate it some way, but I didn't know how to do it. I mean, I didn't have an idea at that point. But later on, when I always had this idea of Termux camera API. I knew I could take the photo and then somehow I can transfer it to my phone in some ways. I'm not talking too much, but I'll show you that. So right now, in my right hand side, this is my Termux, basically my Android phone. I've SSH'd into it, and that's on the right hand side. And the left hand side, you can see that's my laptop. You can see sh4 as my host name, and then the local host is the username for host name for my. So Termux has this API which can access cameras. Okay, so I had this idea, like if I can take the photo in my Termux and then transfer it to convert it, then with image magic I can convert it to convert the PDF. I can reduce the size of the image and then convert it to PDF. So that's the idea. If you have the image magic, and then you can reduce the size of the image and then you can convert it to PDF, and then sending to your laptop is not that a big deal, because you can use rsync for that, and I did the same. Now I'll quickly show you the script which I made for making the process a ton easier. I'll show you that. Where is script rabbit? So this is the script, basically simple. So the IP address is hard-coded because I have a static IP address in my laptop, and that the quality is the quality which I'm going to assign for image, and then the Termux API will take the photo, which I'm gonna call the new.jpg. Basically, I want to have the same name for every single file, because on each time the file will get replaced, so I will not confuse with the file names. And then convert is a is a tool which is provided by ImageMagisk, for you can reduce the quality of the image, and then using the same you can also convert the image to PDF. And then using rsync can be used to share the files to over SSH. So you can share the files over SSH, and then basically these echoes are really important, man. I'll show you why it's so important. And then finally I'm SSHing into my Arch, and then also opening MUPDF. I will also show you why it's so useful. So let's just see how it works. For example, so I'm gonna go into my internal storage, and save a day is what I call this, because I've saved many hours, so I thought I would name it that way. Anyways, so if I run rabbit from staying in this folder, right now my SSH is active in my laptop. So I will show you that, just to avoid the confusion. So you can see SSH is running in my laptop. So if I call the rabbit now, it's been, so I've taken my phone in my hand and placed, okay, photo is done, so I can place my phone down, and so it will say that conversion is done, and then transfer is done, and in my laptop you can see the image has opened up in MUPDF. I mean, the PDF is opened up in my laptop. So basically that is what this does. So what this does, so I can verify that this is the image that I've taken, and I can I have the idea that this is right. Just ensuring and verifying that. Back to the script. Back to the script, you can see this is the line which does that. So basically we are setting this environment variable, which is displays 0, which means you are opening the remote display for opening this PDF application called MUPDF, and then setting the resolution to 30, which is convenient. And then that's it. This is I don't want to explain this is self-explanatory, but I just want to tell you that the Termux API is so cool. You can make use of it to make your life more easier. I'm not bragging about the things that I've done, you have to understand a bit, but I'm just telling you the idea that even in your case this might be useful. Termux have a ton of APIs, and then this might help you in some ways. I don't know. So I just wanted to tell you the possibilities, that's all. So this is how I've saved, I don't know, maybe 5 to 6 hours. I've helped nearly 60 people. So, and the process was so smooth. There was no struggle. I was just taking the photo and I was quickly uploading it from here, and the process was so smooth, even though it was so intense. I mean, intense in the sense it was so long. I didn't feel that I'm just working. I was enjoying it. And then yes, that's it. I just wanted to share how the Termux API, Termux itself is useful, and if you have it installed in your phone, then that's going to help you in many ways. I just wanted to share that. So that's it. That's how I've saved tons of time, and if this is going to be useful for you, I'm happy with that. So that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.